nanay.
Sa gilid ka. Awe,
Nay, dito nanay.
Matigas kayo.
kaya po na i-click.
Ano po may tutulong natin?
Okay lang. Tulungan mo sila. Papasok mo sa plato. Wala tayong automated na yung chain lock. Wala na yun. Ano, hindi gumagamit. Walang pouring of water. Walang ano. Ano tawag doon yung rear. Oo. Parang whirlpool yan.
Okay, time.
Well, we're still in a... I really don't know how to put it in a better word. So far, okay. Meron lang kami mga insidente na talagang kailangan bigyan ng concern. Low Calaw, Top Avenue. Major thoroughfares. It has to be cleared of any obstruction, hopefully, even flooding ng major thoroughfare para tuloy-tuloy. Ang isang challenge namin ngayon is nasa northern Manila, o yung Estero de Sumogapo. Kasi may pinagawa doon yung congressman, flood control, hindi nagamit, hindi tumatakbo, useless. Kaya yung mga kababayan namin doon sa Sumogapo, baka ngayon doon. Yun ang nalulungkot tayo. I hope that DPWH and MMD will look into this because all Esteros pumping station is under the management and supervision ng MMD at saka DPWH. So kami naman, we try to augment and use our resources, ang aming engineering, DPS, LTRRMO, to really secure yung mga major roads, major thoroughfares, and some unnecessary yung mga dapat na TLC na ng matagal na panahon. Dahil natatakot kami pagka ulit makasang hangin, baka tumumba yung mga pose ng Meralco, dala ng hinahampas sa mga puno. Marami na nag-clear since this morning. We will continue addressing conclusion at mahinsan yung posibleng sa mga epekto bagyo, and hopefully wala a good day, walang masirang properties, lalo na yung kaligtasan ng buhay.
Yung nasa loob yan.
Yes. I think it's high time to really address the drainage system of the entire city. Kami naman, yung pinagawa ko yung study noong July 2021, natapos na. Last February 2025. So, kailangan lang yun implement yung general master plan o master plan ng drainage system. And that's the way to do it. And yung mga pumping station, dapat nakukompute nila yung volume of water the growth of volume of water year on year. Para naman yung mga ginagamit namin pumping station na po, sapat na buligo para ibata sa and hopefully, I think it is, kami naman, mga taga-lokal, ay patuloy kami mag-ano. Yayanigin namin lagi yung national government. Yayanigin in the next way. We will continue to pound them with information and things that we need to do. Because we have to work hand in hand. We cannot do it alone. Sa mga tao lamang, nag-iingal kayo. At the very least that we can give to you now is pumanatag kayo. Dali-dali lang kami. As many as we can. Lahat ang kakayanan namin. Now, nasa kalsada namin. May issue rin ba ito? Floodgates. Yung binuksan natin, kita mo, pansinin mo yung Top Avenue Quirino. Wala pa. Itong dalawa sarado ito, dahil mahina yung pump. Yun. Ito yung natatamasa lang. I'll show you one. You see that corner. Kanina, iniikot na ito. Tapos dito, kasi pulong na naman doon. Ganun lang ang, yun lang mathematics nun. Connect lang. Ngayon, yung declogging yung ginagawa natin, isa band-aid solution, day to day, hanggat wala yung talagang real solution. Which is to create more catch basin and pumping station that are running effectively at mga tubong sapat at nag-uusap. Kasi maraming ginawang tubo rito sa Maynila, hindi nagpapangita. So based sa pag-aaral namin. But I think hindi nagtatagpo. Pinadhana pero hindi nagtatpo. Kawawa naman ang taong bayan. Pero i-correct na lahat yan under our watch through the years. Wala pa naman, salamat sa Diyos. But your city government, through our social welfare director, J.D. Lafuente, we are ready in our team. And NDRRMO through Director Adel Angeles, we are ready. Whatever eventually. And in the coming days. Thank you, Maray. Aaram niya na. Nay. I love you. Mag-ingat ka na.
Ito na, Nay.
Sa gilid ka. Awe,
Nay, dito na, Nay.
Matigas kayo.
Kaya po rin.
Ano po may tutulong natin?
Okay lang. Tulungan mo sila. Papasok mo sa plato. Wala tayong automated na yung chain lock. Wala ngayon. Hindi gumagamit. Walang pouring of water. Walang ano tawag doon yung parang pull-pull. Binili natin yan ng araw. Please, buti na, buhay pa eh.
Anim.
Ito na yata.